This video tutorial I will explain what is CORS or cross-origin resource sharing. Imagine you are at home. This is equivalent to your website and you want to borrow a book from your friend's house. This is equivalent to another website. Normally you can only get books from your own house, not from someone else's house. This rule is called same origin policy. Your website can only get resources from the same place it was loaded from. But what if you need to borrow that book from your friend's house? This is where cross-origin resource sharing comes in. CORS is like asking your friend for permission to borrow that book. Your friend agrees and says, sure, you can borrow it. Then they send a note saying it is okay for them to take the book. The note is like a special message that browser understands, telling it that borrowing is allowed. How CORS works? Your website asks for something from another website, like image, file, or data. The other website checks if it is okay to share that resource. If it is okay, sends back a message which is called a CORS header that says it is fine to share this. If the message says it is okay, then your website can use that resource. Without CORS, your browser would not allow your website to use anything from other website because it would be too risky. But with CORS, it is safe way to share resources between websites. Now we will see the simple example. Your website, which is www.example.com, wants to get data from another website, which is api.example2.com. The another website says it is okay for www.example.com to get this data. CORS allow it. Now your website can use that data. Why CORS is important? The first point is safety first. CORS helps to make sure that website only share resources when it is safe. So malicious websites cannot steal your data. Next point is permission based sharing. It is like asking for permission before taking something from someone else's house. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.